Hello and welcome to the second episode of our Quality in a Quick video series. My name is Bob Cruz, President and co-founder of Checkpoint Technologies. So for today's topic, I was going to cover the definition of quality. But as I'm sure you can imagine, if I were to ask 100 different people for their definition of quality, I would get 100 different responses. So instead of covering quality, I want to share with you and discuss what is known as the 5 perspectives of quality. So those different perspectives that I'm going to cover involve transcendent based, product based, user based, development and manufacturer based, and value based. So transcendent based is, imagine that we were buying a vehicle and we were not quite sure what color we wanted, but we did know we'll know it when we see it. So that is considered transcendent based. And then there is product based. So perhaps we're going to go out and buy a vehicle and we know there are certain features that we want. We want it to have a certain amount of space in the trunk, and we want it to be a hardtop convertible in addition to that. And then you've got user based. So we want to make sure our vehicle is fit for use. Do we like the way that it feels? Can we drive it safely? And then you've got development and manufacturer based. So obviously, BMW, they have certain specifications when they build those vehicles, and they may nail it. They may get it 100% right. But to us, that still is not a quality vehicle. And then you've got the last one is value based. So in other words, we've got a budget. So we want to make sure that it meets quality within certain guidelines of what we can afford. So those are the 5 different perspectives of quality. Very important to think about, not only when you're developing an application or software, but also when you're testing it. You've got to look at others' points of view. And speaking of points of view, there are 2 very important views you've got to take into account. You've got the producer's view. The producer is worried about requirements. Was the application software system, does it meet the specifications? Does it meet the user requirements? And then you've got the customer's point of view. And the customer's point of view, remember, is very reliant upon that perspective of the user-based, which has to do with fit for use. I was a developer for many years, and I can tell you that there were applications, there was software that we developed it, we programmed it, we designed it, we implemented that software perfectly. But still the end user said, you know what, this isn't right, this isn't what I need. And we had to go back and make enhancements. So the points of view are very important, and the perspectives, keep that in mind as you're designing test cases in your test plan. So I hope you found that to be some valuable information. Thank you so much. Please, I encourage you to email me at this email address for our Quality in a Quick video series. Share any questions, any thoughts that you have. And above all else, please share some topics you'd like covered. And then also I want to share with you some great, exciting upcoming events Checkpoint Technologies will be providing in the near future. Thank you so much. Have a great day.